Hello everyone! Today's date is February 11th, 2021, and I want to share with you today what I brought off of Amazon for my new walking gear. Thought it'd be really nice to just show you what I got, and what I'll be using on my walks from now on. So, what I got was sneakers. These are Reeboks. They were $33. Show you that real quick. These are my new walking shoes, everyone, because I really needed to get a new pair. These are really nice. They're super fashionable, but they will definitely do for the walking. Fashionable, all black, feels like leather, or pleather rather. I'm not sure if it's pleather. I got the rest of the package. So now I have brand new ND filters for my Hero 8 Black, because I looked at the Freewell ND filters, and a lot of my videos I did last year had a little bit of reflection, and that was due to the quality of the ND16 filter. And really all of them had that issue, so hopefully these won't, but I brought these, and you could just attach them to the camera relatively easy. Here they are. So it comes in a very nice case with a lens wipe. Very nice, okay. That is pretty neat. You just attach it to the camera. Way better than having that magnetic mount that actually broke recently, and I've been trying to keep it together by tape. And it's only about so much longer that I could do that. So, here we go. That back in here. Once again, these are the Chronos ND filters compatible with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So, put that off to the side. Next up, we have another package I brought. A power bank. Because I really needed battery life for these walking videos. 60 FPS, 120 FPS. If I want to record longer and longer videos, action kid styled, walk, ride, fly, walking commuter, any long, lengthy videos, I'm gonna need this. So I got a power bank, and this is a waterproof, shockproof, dust-resistant power bank by Tom ETC. This is very nice. It even has a compass on it. Look at that. How about it? So this is a 33,000 milliamp hour backup battery. And I'm going to show you another accessory that it fits perfectly with, and why I got that accessory in the first place. So there are two flashlights. I was going to get another one, but this one right here just went over in certain ways. Very nice, dude. Very nice. Okay. My first power bank ever for you guys. I'm not sure which one is the flashlight. Which one is it? But we'll figure that out later. Let me turn this back off. I think that'll turn up. Oh, that's the flashlight. There we go. There you go, guys. Got the flashlight on. That's the strobe light. Okay. Perfect. So I'm just going to put this to the side. It's still on, but I'll figure out how to turn it off in a second. After all, it is a 33,000 milliamp hour power bank. So we'll get to that in a second. And now, this little thing, what is this? It's a GoPro Hero 8 chargeable lid. Rechargeable lid. Very nice. So that's a chargeable lid, right? It's changeable. That's the mistake of the manufacturer. So when I'm walking, I can just simply put this on the side of the camera without the camera being exposed to the elements. I had to get this. I was going to get this a long time ago too. So all you do is just put this on the side of your Hero 8 and plug in the charger, backup battery charger. Here we go. And all this will work alongside my gimbal with the ND filters, thankfully, which will be way more compatible with the camera. And the gimbal, without messing up my gimbal any further, is kind of a little dinged in, but not too bad. With the freewheel ND filters, it's not really adaptable or really compatible, rather, with the POVHFR iSteady Pro 3. So, next up, a mystery package. Let's see what this is. All that for this little guy. There we go. This is the accessory that will hold up my backup battery while I'm recording with the POVHFR iSteady Pro 3. But it's a smartphone holder, but it will be compatible with my battery. There you go. Very nice. $17, so it brings this to about roughly 20 bucks. 22 bucks I paid for this. Perfect. And you just attach it to the side of your gimbal. Your POVHFR iSteady Pro 3 gimbal, or any gimbal that has a 1/4 screw mount. So yeah, that wraps that up. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. If you want to find out how much I paid for all of this, you can look in the description below. And during the premiere, which I plan to premiere this, you can look in the live chat where I'll actually give the estimate price of this. So, Reebok sneakers, once again, Chronos ND filters for the Hero 8 Black, a backup battery, a battery pack, a smartphone holder, and a changeable lid or a changeable door for the Hero 8 Black. So, stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. Take care.